My name is Robert Neville. I am a survivor. If anyone is out there, if anyone is listening, you are not alone.
We've done it. A cure for cancer.
So I just wrote a screenplay for a complete feature film using the secret AI tool in less than a day. And the best part, it's not just like typing some prompt into ChatGPT and getting a generic story. Nope. What I'm about to show you is exactly how professional screenwriters create their work, but we are going to do it with the power of AI. So even if you're not a professional writer, you'll be able to create a screenplay that you're proud of without struggling with writer's block. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything I did to go from a movie idea to a 140-page movie script with complete continuity, interesting characters, jaw-dropping scenes, and so much more. And the best part, you'll have full control over your story. So let's get started. We are going to write a screenplay using AI in just 3 parts. The first part is to plan your story. To do this, we're going to do 3 steps. The first step is to create a logline. But what exactly is a logline? It's basically a short description or summary of the movie. It's typically 1 or 2 sentences long and is meant to give people a clear idea of what your story is about. Take a look at this one. It highlights the main character, their goal, and the central conflict right away. After reading this, the viewer will know what to expect from the movie and they can decide whether to watch it or not. And most importantly, it helps you stay clear about your story and not lose focus while writing. So to create the perfect logline for our screenplay, we are going to use an amazing AI tool called GravityWrite. It is built by us and has all the tools that you need for each step of the screenplay. So just click the link in the description below and it'll take you to this tool. And as you can see, we need to enter a rough idea of our story to create a logline. For example, I'm going to enter a lone scientist in a post-apocalyptic New York races to find a cure for a deadly plague while evading relentless mutant hunters. Then click Create Content. And that's it. We've got 5 different loglines for our idea and each one gives a unique twist to the main concept. For example, take a look at this one. It's about a scientist struggling with his own guilt for creating the plague. Meanwhile, in this one, the plague was created by a military experiment. Amazing, right? So we can explore these angles and pick the one that sounds the most interesting. Alright, once you have the logline, the next step is to create a theme for your story. A theme is the main message or idea your story is about. It's what you want people to feel or think after watching your movie. Think of it this way. The plot is what happens in the story. Meanwhile, the theme is the deeper meaning behind those events. For example, let's say Titanic has themes of love and sacrifice, while Avengers focuses on teamwork and the battle between good and evil. So to create a powerful theme for our story, we need a logline. So let's copy the one you like. So I'm going to use this one which says, when a brilliant scientist becomes the last man in New York, he must race against time to develop a cure for the plague that wiped out all of humanity, all while outsmarting a horde of mutant hunters who see him as their prey. So let's copy this one. Then click Go to Next Step and it'll take you to a theme creator. Here, paste the logline and click Create Content. As you can see, we've got the theme along with its breakdown. The theme Hope and Humanity Can Survive Even in the Darkest Times perfectly captures the key emotions and the challenges that we face in this story and makes the theme so easy to connect with. These details will help us in the next step where we are going to create the character descriptions for our story. Creating a character description is very important when writing a screenplay. By clearly writing down the personality, looks, motivation, and the role of all the characters in the story, it becomes easier for us and the audience to understand who they are and how they fit into the plot. Take a look at this character description. It immediately gives you a clear image of the character. It also helps you stay consistent while writing, and it makes it easier for actors and directors to bring the character to life on the screen. So to create the character description, just click Go to Next Step and it will take you to this tool. As you can see here, the log line and the theme is automatically filled. I think this is the best part about using GravityWrite for writing a screenplay. Everything you need is in one single place, and since the tools are connected, they pull in details from earlier steps to make the process easier. Pretty cool, right? If you want to mention how many characters you want in your story, you can enter that here. But if you're not sure, that's fine too. Just leave it up to GravityWrite. Click Create Content. And here it is. We've got a detailed description of all the characters along with their role in the story. Now that we have a clear idea about the main concept of our story, its theme, and the characters, next we need to create a proper structure for our screenplay. This will give us a blueprint of the story and help us to write the final script later on. So let's go to the second part of the video where we will create a structure for the screenplay. Now we are going to do this in 3 simple steps. The first step is to write the synopsis of the story. The synopsis is a summary of your story and it explains everything from the main characters, the challenges they face, key events, all the way to how it ends. Yes, it even includes the ending, unlike a logline, which is just 1 or 2 sentences to spark interest in your story. So the synopsis is not for the audiences, it's only for the producers, agents, or the film judges to help them decide if your script is worth reading. A synopsis will make it easier to stay on track when we dive into writing the full script. To write a synopsis of your story, just click Go to Next Step, click Create Content, and as you can see, we've got a detailed synopsis of our story just like that. The next step is to break the story into acts. To create a structure for the screenplay, we need to organize the story into clear sections. These sections are called acts. Typically, writers use the 3-act structure, which includes the setup, where you introduce the main characters, their world, and what they want, and this covers the first 25% of your story. The second act is called the confrontation. This is where the main character faces obstacles, challenges, or villains while trying to achieve their goal. And this covers the next 50% of your story. And the last, we have the climax, where the main character faces his biggest challenge and the story's main conflict is resolved. And this covers the last 25% of your story. But sometimes, creating just 3 acts for the story can make the middle act or the second act very long and hard to organize. This is why, instead of using the 3-act structure, we're going to use its variation called the 4-act structure. With this, we can divide the second act into 2 halves, the response and the action, each covering 25%. This will add more clarity and balance to our screenplay structure. If you want to know more about the act breakdown in detail, you can check out this video. So to break your story into 4 acts, all you have to do is click Go to Next Step, then click Create Content, and it's done. So let's see what it says. Act 1 introduces our main character, Dr. Ethan Carter, as he struggles to survive in the post-apocalyptic world while searching for a cure. Now along the way, he discovers mysterious video clips about the plague, and this draws the attention of dangerous mutants. And he's also meeting a new character called Marcus, which adds a new dynamic to the story. Amazing, right? GravityWrite made such a complex task so simple. We got the act breakdown for our story, and now it's easier to understand which events will happen at what point. This is going to be very helpful in the further steps. Alright, the third step is to write the character's development in detail. Writing character development means clearly stating how a character will grow or change throughout the story. You can do this by giving them personalities, motivations, flaws, and strengths, and showing how they evolve in response to all the challenges they face. This will give the audience a reason to care about your characters and make the story feel more authentic and engaging overall. So to write the character development for your story, just go to the next step, then click Create Content, and here it is. We've got a detailed journey of development of all the main characters in our story. Alright, we have successfully created a structure for our screenplay, so now it's much easier to dive into developing the scenes and bringing the story to life. So let's go to the third part of the video where we will start writing the screenplay, and we are going to do this in 3 simple steps. The first step is to write the key moments of the story. Writing the key moments of your story is called creating a beat sheet in the world of screenplay. As the name suggests, you can create a list of beats or the key moments of your story which acts as an outline for your screenplay. And since we have used the 4-act structure, we need to write down the key moments of all the 4 acts in our story. this will help us break down our story into smaller and manageable steps. To create a beat sheet for our story, let's click go to the next step. And all the previous information about our story will be automatically filled here. Just click create content. And as you can see, we got a neatly organized list of all the important moments in our story divided by acts. Now this beat sheet is going to act as a blueprint and it will make writing the final script super easy. But before that, there's just one more thing that we need to do. So let's go to the second step, which is to create a list of all the scenes. Traditionally, creating a list of all the scenes in a story would take days. But with AI, we can do this in no time. So let's quickly create a list of all the scenes in our story. Just click go to next step. Click create content. And here's a list of all the scenes. So let's check this out. This one is about Ethan realizing the final components of the cure are in the old lab across the city. And in this particular scene, I think Ethan is confronting the mutant Alpha in a battle of wits, showcasing the creature's evolving intelligence. Pretty cool, right? Alright, now that we have everything that we need, let's go to the last step, which is to write the final script. This is where all the previous steps come into play. The final script needs to follow the beat sheet and the scene list to create an engaging and entertaining script for our story. It'll include dialogues, action descriptions, and technical details like the scene headings and transitions. So to create the final script, click go to next step. And you can see all the fields are already filled except for this one. And here we need to enter each scene one by one. So to do that, let's go back to the previous tool. Copy the first scene. Come back. And paste it here. Now click create content. And as you can see, we got the script for the first scene. Let's check this one out. It starts with the exterior location, which is Times Square, and the time of day is dusk. Then we get this description about the setting and the atmosphere. After this, the camera pans to reveal our main character, Dr. Ethan. Very intense, right? It seems like a screenplay of some Hollywood movie. So let's save it in the document. First, copy the script by clicking here. Then open a new tab. Then type docs.new, press enter, and paste the script here. Alright, in the same way, let's create the script for the second scene. Just copy the second scene. Come to this tool. And enter it here. Click create content. And we've got the script for the second scene. Now just copy it. And paste it in the document. Repeat this process for all the scenes. And once that is done, we will have the complete screenplay for our story like this. So now we have successfully written a screenplay from scratch using AI. A quick note, make sure you go through each line, refine the dialogues, and add your own personal touch to improve its quality and make it reflect on your unique vision. Alright, so this is how you can write a screenplay using AI. I hope this video inspired you to explore more AI tools for your writing process. So go ahead and start crafting your screenplay with AI and share your unique visions with the entire world. Okay guys, I know you're very curious to know how to convert the screenplay into a complete AI movie. And if you want to know that, you can check out this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.